So by the way, did you eat already?
Yeah.
And what did you eat for tonight, baby, and how?
I eat rice,
Rice,
meat,
meat, and that's
vegetable.
oh, a vegetable. Okay, so now by the way, what did you do today, baby Kevin? I mean, baby, and how?
Huh?
What did you do today?
I mm,
Like
no,
like did you go to the park? Did you just
study,
stay at home?
study and
Oh,
play.
oh, you were studying and playing. So what did you study all about?
English.
Oh, English. And how about what game did you play? What
Mm,
game did you play today, baby?
love fruit. Roblox.
Oh, the Roblox. All right. Okay, maybe later, before we end, we can play some. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So for tonight and for tonight, right now, continue with. Let's proceed with our discussion. So teacher will be sharing the screen, and just give me a few seconds. So can you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have the exercise number 5. Okay, just wait. So in the exercise number 5, we have all about this. Fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks, baby. So you are just going to read this one and fill the blanks. So I will be the teacher and then you are going to be Yoon Woo. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have for breakfast?
I have breakfast, cereal, and orange juice.
All right, you can say I had cereal and orange juice. Okay. All right, can you say it again? I had cereal and orange juice.
I had cereal and orange juice.
Okay, next. Do you have coffee?
Oh, no, I don't. How about you? What do you have coffee for breakfast?
Yes, I do. I have coffee and fruit.
Um, what do you have
What do you have?
for lunch?
Okay, I have a salad. What do you have for lunch?
I have rice and vegetables for lunch.
Okay, what do you have for dinner?
What, teacher? Um, I have rice, vegetable, and fish for lunch. For dinner.
All right. Okay, very good, baby. So you have answered the 7 questions. Okay. So now let's proceed on the exercise number 6. So on the exercise number 6, we have the ordering. So for example, coffee for breakfast. I have coffee for breakfast. Okay, how about number 1? What's the answer on the number 1, baby?
I have coffee for breakfast.
Okay, I have coffee for breakfast. How about number 2?
What do you have for lunch?
Okay, and number 3?
I have apple.
Number 3 is?
I have fruit as a snack.
Oh, are you sure? I have fruit as a snack. Okay, very good. How about number 4?
I don't have wine.
Okay, how about 5?
She um
Okay, how about number 5?
uh, he she doesn't have tea or coffee for breakfast.
Number 6.
Um, what
What?
does he have as a snack?
Okay. How about what does he have as a snack? Okay, how about number 7?
Um,
Okay, how about number
he has
7?
for lunch.
Okay, and number 8?
Do you have cereal for breakfast?
Do you have
Have
cereal for breakfast? Okay, very good, baby. How about this one? Exercise number 7. Your turn to ask. Ask your tutor these questions. Okay, number 1.
what?
Okay, number 1. Okay, you are going to ask me these questions, baby. Then I will
What
be answering
do
this one.
what do you what do you have for breakfast?
I had an egg, rice, and basa sa iyang kuan. Di man ka anha magbasa diha. Ato man ka magbasa sa resita. I had egg, rice, and chicken.
What do you have? What do you have for lunch?
For lunch, I had a meat, a vegetable, and a rice.
What do you have for dinner?
For dinner, I have chicken and rice.
What do you have for at a snack?
Okay, I had banana for snack. Okay, so now I will be asking you the same question, baby. So your turn to ask, okay? So answer
Okay.
using the language you have learned in this lesson. Talk about yourself. Okay, number 1. What do you have for breakfast? Mo na nailuod nila imnon basag na.
I have mm, mm, I have dinner. No, no, no. I have
Okay,
bread. Bread.
Brad.
I had noodle for breakfast.
Oh, noodles. Okay, how about number 2? What do you have for lunch?
What is it?
Okay. Okay, basag po na ikuan. Iya, di ba?
Dali.
Okay, so what do
Oh,
you have for lunch? Oh, okay, wait for me, baby, and how can you wait for me? Just give me a 1 minute.
Em có. Và try một rồi. Đó.
Okay,
Oh,
all right. So now, how about for lunch, baby? What do you have for lunch?
em đi sữa mà ăn hết.
How about for lunch? What do you have for lunch?
Đi mà ăn.
What? What, baby? Dropper, dropper.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, what do you have for lunch, baby, and how?
I have rice and
Rice and rice
rice
and
Water, please. Water.
rice
and
Water,
and
please.
meat
Water.
oh, rice
and
and meat.
vegetable.
Oh, vegetables as well. How about for dinner? What do you have for dinner?
Uy.
I have rice and egg and tomato and potato for dinner.
Oh, that's so many. Oh, I think that's yummy. Okay, how about for snacks? What do you have for snacks?
I have
Ako rin. Okay, what do you have for snacks?
I have mm, ice cream.
Cream. What?
I have snack for snack.
Oh, okay. Oh, by the way, you mentioned ice cream. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Huh?
What's your favorite flavor?
What teacher?
Wait, let me translate it. What is uh, your favorite Favorite flavor of ice cream. Okay, this one.
Bạn thích vị
Bạn
kem
thích
nào nhất?
kem nào nhất?
Okay,
Uh,
what's
I
your favorite flavor of ice cream, baby?
my favorite flavor of ice
Please.
cream is
Okay, what's your
chocolate.
favorite? Oh, chocolate. Oh, chocolate. I also like chocolate. Okay, how about
Water. You know.
okay, so since we are done with this one, and thank you so much for answering everything. So now, congratulations, baby, and how? So we can now proceed.
Oh,
Ah, water.
teacher,
Yes, baby.
today we now play game.
Oh, today we are not going to play games.
Water.
What, baby? Today we are not going to play games.
Hôm nay chúng ta không chơi trò chơi
Yes,
phải không?
yes.
What?
Why? Yes, yes.
Bạn có muốn chơi game không?
Okay, so what game, baby, and how? The Roblox? What
Um,
what kind of game do you want to play tonight?
Roblox.
Okay. Okay, you can open your Roblox and invite me. Okay, open your Roblox, baby, and invite me, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, teacher. Teacher. Teacher.
Did you invite me already?
Play King Legacy.
Okay, okay. Okay, just
King
wait.
Legacy.
Okay, invite me, baby. I will join to you, okay?
Okay.
What's your name again on Roblox?
King Legacy.
No, your name, baby,
Teacher.
your name.
Teacher going to chat.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, what? Why? Why? Game. Why, teacher?
Nagkana naman po need friends. Eh.
Teacher.
Yes. King Legacy is your username.
Username game.
King
Name
Legacy. What? Can you type it?
King Legacy.
Okay, you can join to me, baby. I am playing the King Legacy right now.
Game King Legacy.
Yes, yes. I already entered the game. Can you see it? Can you
Why?
join? Okay, okay, okay. Look, it's
Is
right
loading.
here. Oh, it's loading.
Yes.
Okay, mine also. It's black. I don't know what happened. What's your username on Roblox again?
What?
This one? Is this correct? Are you in the game already?
Why did you?
Okay, okay. Oh, I'm here. Yan nga. Basta wala. Kaon ko. Anhaw yung pangan.
Teacher, where?
I'm here already. I cannot share the screen because I am using cell phone. Can you see me?
Huh?
Can you see me on the game?
I don't understand.
Anhaw.
Những câu này á. Kinh nghiệm here. Đâu đánh được không? Oh, teacher.
Yes?
Teacher.
Yes?
Me.
Okay, you.
Teacher đi đâu vậy?
Okay, I'm following you.
Teacher going to me.
Okay, I'm going to you.
Vẫn là đánh thằng.
How to fight?
Tôi không thể chia sẻ trò chơi của mình vì tôi dùng máy tính để học và điện thoại để chơi game.
Teacher.
Yes. I'm just following you.
Teacher gạ rồi. Teacher đâu? Oh, what the? Đâu level của mình đâu?
Kasunod mo lang.
Này, teacher đâu? Level đâu? Mà level mình đâu? Level của mình đâu? Teacher ngu rồi. Level của mình đâu? Ai nhặt trái á? Nhặt trái ở đâu?
Bakit ang manghod sa yung kilid eh? Oh, where are you? I cannot find you.
Đọc gì? Đọc cho
Where
hướng
are
dẫn tìm trái
you?
đó. Không có tìm cái cùng.
Where are you, baby, and
Rồi
how?
teacher mà không có. Ui,
Oh, I can see you now.
gì đó? Rắn à? Đùa. Tiền đâu?
Haba
Tiền
ka
của
lang
anh
duha
đâu?
lang.
Kìa,
Nag-Vietnamese.
anh muốn chơi.
Yung manghod. Makadungog ko sige ngog teacher.
Teacher
Is
đâu?
that teacher? No. Teacher. Ano ba?
Người ta thì đâu teacher đâu?
Oh, no teacher. Yes,
What?
no.
Teacher đâu rồi? Teacher. Teacher đâu
Oh, I
rồi?
cannot see you. I cannot see you. Where are you?
Ôi, teacher bên này cây cấp.
Oh, I'm dead.
Teacher mang cọc đúng ngựa để em cánh ra teacher.
What?
Teacher.
Hello?
Đúng bằng tư.
Hello?
Bằng tư.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, okay. I can hear you now.
Where teacher?
Tubag lang. Okay, okay. Oh, we're fighting now.
Không đánh. Cái gì đấy?
Where are you? Where are you?
Nhưng mà có thằng nào
Hả?
không có thằng nào buôn trái à? Đấy, xếp luôn đấy. Nhìn một con đấy à?
Kita kung nagduwa diha lang katong imuha bitaw
Ừ,
tapos pusil. O
buôn
yan,
trái
lahapit
à?
na mo time. I invite
Teacher
na siya.
đâu?
Hello, Anhao.
Hello teacher.
All right, hello, baby. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, since we do not have much enough time to extend our class, I will be leaving the Zoom link, but we can still play, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so goodbye here and see
Goodbye
you in the
teacher.
game.
Goodbye
Thank
teacher.
you. Bye-bye.